First of all, greetings to all. Today I, the student as well as CR of 12 Commerce are here to welcome you all to the Pratap Skill Carnival. Here, the various students are participating in the event. Very innovative skill and idea are represented by the student. Extraordinary ideas from the brilliant minds are represented here. New technology that are directly to the patents is to be presented by here. As you can see, various innovative and extraordinary skilled mindset, various prideful minds present their new innovation skills today. As Pratap Skill Carnival demands, more than expectation projects are there and all are to facilitate the society, to remove the hindrance that are affecting the society. So let's begin to view the Pratap Skill Carnival. Let's start. Moving further, as the project said that the robo. So let's the technically machine what can do. Let's understand with the makers, please.
माय नेम इज सेजल, दिस माय फ्रेंड मेघा. ये रोबोट है, फूड सर्विंग रोबोट है. आगे जाकर रेस्टोरेंट में यही काम करेगा. ये कोडिंग से यूज होता है, इसकी बैटरी यूज होगी, उसके बाद ये कोडिंग से चलेगा. कहीं भी डायरेक्शन हो हमारी, कोई भी कहीं पे भेजना हो तो ये पूरा कोडिंग से चलेगा. अगर कोई सीईओ है तो उसे इसके नीचे मल्टीपल इनकम रखने की जरूरत नहीं होती. ये हमारी कोडिंग से ही वर्क करता है. इसमें हमने 4 टाइप्स की कोडिंग यूज की है. इसमें हमने मेल टू मेल बायर्स का यूज किया है. ये इतना ज्यादा कॉस्टली भी नहीं है और बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से ये वर्क करता है. दिस इज सो हेल्पफुल.
Moving further, we have finally the artistic skills as the cultural activity decides the very beautiful Ram Mandir. So framed to the maker with the clay and other particles. Let's talk to the makers. Please, ma'am.
Greetings everyone, my name is Lakshmi and these are my co-partners. तो मैंने ये राम मंदिर बनाया है कल रात को, जिसमें मैंने सिर्फ और सिर्फ रीयूज किया है वेस्ट मटेरियल का, लाइक कार्डबोर्ड, पेपर्स एंड जो भी मेरे पास मटेरियल अवेलेबल था. ये राम मंदिर श्री राम जी को समर्पित है, जिसमें 3 फ्लोर है, जिसमें फर्स्ट फ्लोर में है टोटल 160 पिलर्स यूज हैं और सेकंड फ्लोर में 64 एंड थर्ड फ्लोर में टोटल 37 है. इस मंदिर की ये भी खासियत है कि इसमें अलग अलग रिलीजियस स्थानों से 2500 से भी ज्यादा मिट्टियाँ लाई गई हैं ताकि हम इसको और भी पवित्र बना सके. थैंक यू.
Good morning, I am Ojas Daya from class 9th morning glory of PSM Senior Secondary School. Today I am here to present my idea of a innovation which can hopefully change some lives. It is called the miso stick. In this stick, we have in India we have a culture where we gonna walk in the morning and in the evening, but when sometimes the elderly persons or the people with the medical conditions can get tired or have some serious issues, but if they cannot find a suitable ground for sitting, or if their knees are going to hurt if they sit too far down, they can simply just make this seat and they can sit over here. And one more thing which we have added here is that you can see that there is a button here. If we press that button, the notification will go on our family member's phone and the nearest hospital, and it can also track our GPS location. I have coded some programs into this box. It has the GPS and the Bluetooth technology, and also we have there is a flashlight here. So if we turn on, because when we go in the morning or in the evening, in the morning there's a lot of fog, in the evening there's a lot of darkness, and in the morning the fog can also alter someone's vision, so they cannot see much far ahead in of their eyes, so they can just turn on the flashlight and they will be able to see much more. In the night they will not be able to see anything, so if they walk on something dangerous they will not know. So that's why they can turn the flashlight and see. And one more thing the flashlight can do is that, like if let's assume that there's an animal coming from any side, they can turn the flashlight, because animals are afraid of light, the darkness, so they will run away. And we have added the reflectors too, because if we are let's assume that we are crossing the crosswalk, then the driver of any vehicle can see that we are there and slow down, so it will not hit us. That's all about this idea which I have made. and hopefully it can change a lot of lives.
Moving further, we have finally the Parliament project. We have seen various creative idea and innovative. Let's come to the Parliament view object. Please, let's take the maker from the makers. Please, sir.
Good morning, I am Chirag. This is our new parliament. This is Lok Sabha and this is Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha is made to inspire for the peacock theme and Rajya Sabha is made to inspire the lotus theme. The theme of world parliament is circuit geometry theme. The seats in Lok Sabha is 545 and seats in Rajya Sabha 245. Thank you.
The primary wing isn't the stage to the full stop. As we have seen many creative ideas with the senior wing and the middle wing. Now, it's time for the little champs. How the innovative skills up to the 5th class is to be present here. Let's move to the primary wing. Let's begin. Moving to the little champion, we am very shocked and amazingly surprised to see that a very little my junior have prepared the topic wastewater management. So let's take it from our little champ. Please, ma'am.
Greetings everyone. My name is Dia from 4th Lily. Today's my project topic is wastewater purification. There are 4 steps in my project. First step is First step is collection of wastewater. Second step is purification. My third step is storage of clean water. My last and fourth step is supply of clean and pure water. In first step, this is a factory. It produces wastewater. This is a tank. It collect wastewater. In second step, there is stone. It collect big impurities. In second step, this is small stones. They collect small impurities. And third step is coal. It kill all germs and bacteria. And my first step is sand. It collects all physical impurities that passes through big stone, small stone, and coal. My last and fifth step is cotton. It gives us pure and clean water. And my third step is storage of clean water. It gives us clean and pure water. My last and first step is supply of clean water. It supply clean and pure water to the housing colony and etc. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Here with the hand of the day, the many skills we have seen, whether active or passive, with the various kind of students of various senior wings, middle wing, and the very junior primary wing. The all active skills and the innovative projects that are presented is really amazing. With the effect of the day, there is a turn to the torch to the end of the carnival. So thank you all parents for visiting. Once again, thank you to all. Thank you.